Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Let's learn vehicle's name with me. Tractor. This is a green tractor. Bus. This is a purple bus. Truck. This is a red truck. School bus. This is a yellow school bus. Car. This is a purple car. Cycle. This is a pink cycle. Motorcycle. This is a blue motorcycle. Scooty. This is a gray scooty. Airplane. This is a white airplane. JCB. This is a green JCB. Scooter. This is an orange scooter. Helicopter. This is a black helicopter. Scooter. This is a sky blue scooter. Ship. This is a blue ship. Boat. This is a brown boat.